Hey, I'm Gabriel. My group and I are going to give a presentation.
Our presentation is going to be about tectonic plates. We'll first start off with the African plate movement, then go on to Eurasia, Australia, North America, then finally South America.
The African plate is moving at about 2.15 centimeters per year. It's been going in the northeast direction for about 10 million years or so, and it's also creating a rift in the eastern direction. We predict that in 150 million years from now, the African plate is going to join together with Europe and create a rift. The Antarctic plate is one of Earth's 7 major plate tectonic boundaries. Not only does the Antarctic plate contain the entire continent of Antarctica, but it also includes most of the surrounding ocean. The Antarctic plate is moving at a snail's pace. It moves at about 3.3 centimeters a year. It is also moving northward in the northwest direction. It only became a vast frozen wilderness around 20 million years ago.
The Eurasian plate is moving at a rate of just 7 through 14 millimeters per year. The plate also moves away from the North American plate about 3 centimeters a year. So later on into the future, about 150 years, the Eurasian plate will be farther up into the north. Around 150 million years from now, we predict that Europe will be under Africa. This movement will increase earthquake risk in the Mediterranean and will most likely have created an earthquake region. The plate will also keep lifting up the Himalayan mountains. Australia shifts about 2.7 inches northward, combined with a clockwise rotation. Australia's plate that it's sitting on has been moving relatively fast. The Indo-Australian plate has also been moving at a rate of just 3 centimeters per year. Between Australia and Europe, new mountains will be created. Since Australia is moving northward, it is most likely that the plate will crash into Europe and create new landforms, such as mountains or hills. Australia's longitudes and latitudes will be firmly adjusted at the end of this year. The North American and Eurasian plates are moving away from each other along the line of the mid-Atlantic ridge. North America is moving northwest at the rate it takes for your fingernails to grow, approximately 3 to 4 inches a year. 150 million years from now, we predict that North America will have shifted northwest. This movement will have created some of the youngest geological rocks at these mid-ocean ridges. The South American plate moves at an average rate of about 3 centimeters per year. The South American plate is moving away from the North American plate. Meanwhile, it is also moving the Caribbean Islands farther and farther into the Pacific Ocean. The west side of South America experiences devastating earthquakes due to the convergent plate tectonic boundaries. This diverging plate motion creates some of the youngest oceanic crust on the planet. You ever done? We're cutting this out at the end, right? Yes. I said some